Oloshaya umuntu on top.
Gomiayon.
Hey, yathi.
Gomiayon. No. Sesibuyile ngani usicovid. Sebecovid wakho. Sesibuyile.
Phela indoda yagcina kudzala iphathi amawakho ngiyasicabanyisa mina.
Wase uyavela wavela
Uyamabheka ngababeki njani on that day. Ya wena na hello.
Sasa besitele shoot every week 2 times a week.
No,
vele zangaphinza konke lento.
Wetha ukuthi ngiyima nami. Kwabe ngi outfit.
Yeah.
Funa no fit outfit. Ene ngathi abayitrila ama
Ubone
outfit.
leyo la ngathi business.
Ayitrila ama outfit so
yabona ngakhapha msibhizi yelona ngani.
Uyakhumbula umkhamba so kulethela
Nemasimba.
But I have one.
And you can look at a gym chart.
No, it's not Eugene. It's not Eugene. So initially, we found Eugene.
Yeah.
And I'm like, hey, Eugene, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Or I'm telling you, and usually I talk to you. Let me find a mood.
Lendeni ukuthi indovela nifutheke vele.
Joe.
Appointment.
Mangifika lapha lelo mecheri naye uthi yenifundisa roko lemshado welithumisa. So mendela vele roko lemshado.
Yeah, nganingi lo uyakhumbula imntwana. Manje ngishiye lapha ni.
Exactly. Ama brother ngisebasenibone phone. Yeah, kathukuphi.
Yeah.
Beka ngabambeki.
Yebo njani phathe komnanzi ne?
Abimnazi.
Beyimnazi mara nami nga-attesta ukuthi beyimnazi. Nengomne bengilifela.
Akakuboni.
Bofuna kuba yini wena?
Bengekho vele bengiyabo.
Bofuna kuba yini wena? VIP.
Beyila.
Befuna kube ngimlokhulumele bomakhelwane lo
Oh yeah.
Batokhulumela emakhelwane befuna khulumele if ngabe iphathi yakho my brother ne? Baliphathe umuntu omdzala. Ungakhulumela bomakhelwane.
ngoba mzala kana bomakhelwane.
Funa kumakhelwane bani. Bebakho
No, dinzanga takhe ngoba ngifuna khulumele bomakhelwane dinzanga takhe.
What's up my dog?
No, I can't complain to you.
Mina awuzithathi ukuthi. Sibile maslay queen. So what? Nyalo celebrity dog.
Yeah.
Leli serious. Hayi ukuthi lona litipile ngizile leli balibekile.
Ne?
Yabona? Bonsethe bona
I
bebadayi.
introduce the celebrities.
Sanibona bahlala.
Shoo.
Dijal Malalel, Michelina Princess of the Airwaves.
Okay.
The nun of the Airwaves.
Yeah.
Upyo.
Ne?
Chichi.
Yo.
Of the Airwaves. No,
Yewena.
not Kuli.
Oh.
Hey.
Yeah.
Sister C is in the building. Sister C is in the building.
Umjonje bedog.
Dog.
First mina ngihlala ngimbona kulona.
Tinyanga letinyanga.
Awulalele, that's your problem. Ima ngulalela boto wathi usingidala namuhla.
Are you for real?
Yeah,
Tinyanga
yeah.
letinyanga dog. Itole busuku. Nadayi fuck. Wena.
Yeah.
Khamba kanjani uthi ungangijwela plan sijabingelelanga.
Akangibingele cabanga yakho. Uthena ukonje utheni?
Hayi,
Mara
pleasantries.
yeah. Mara ngenjwayelo ungani umuntu before ukhuluma naye vele. Hayi, ngeke ngisho vele wathelela.
Ngimchazele. Dog, ngimchazele. Enebuka mawungitext ubuta nga ghost. Ngidayi ma. Ufuna ghost.
Hey ghost.
Ufuna ghost. Afuza ngifuyele. Hey dog.
Siyahleke.
Ngithi ghost uthi kotashe emchikini wami. Ngithi khona chicken ukhala ngawo ukuthi angangile nyamana lapha ngaphu.
Bose somos sinyamana. Umbite njani wena?
Wait, mara.
No, kumbe sizama kuniketa ama nickname.
Ne.
Yeah.
Mara it does.
It does what?
Yangakhona.
How are you by the way?
I'm very good, thanks. How are you?
No complaint. How's life?
I'm trying to be modest. Your life. Life is life in.
Ne.
Yo.
But nathi life kakhulu more like guys, ne? I don't know.
Yeah,
Mara nami ngihlale ngisho not because of like vele ngeke uze upope la uqhamuka khona. I always tell my friends.
But some other people bapopela bathanga khona. They are mean.
Mara.
You can come there.
Sekunani bokuzidlela mona. Ngiyini? Yani sikhuluma
No,
kahle.
Tanzania very. If it's not Tanzania, ngezibisa.
Yeah, ngiyangile.
That's the problem.
Mara do you think it's that angiboni mona.
Mona vele nasenza mona.
Mara phela
Ungithatha ngibroke mangana next. But not something angifuni. Hayi, unemona. Unelimhobhola.
yeah, kufana na Bobo.
Ne.
Ngikhipha lona manje. Yabo, kufana Bobo. Bobo bathi useless mawungana eThailand.
Ne.
Uyona? Ngoba lapho Bobo banyalo futhi abasana mageni.
Oh, okay.
So good snake.
Lo wami unaso
Fana ne-iPhone vele mangana nelo what you call this power bank mkhathi ngoba vele
kambe iPhone zingana boma
yeah ama-power bank iPhone ngasalicezi ilanga lonke
ngivela
ifakubani
I don't know but vele yona nje yona
something ngathi siyacala akubona nebhekbheke benda lokho ngathi 20% awusatholakala emoyeni nethi-check isikhathi kuphela
yeah
ngathi ngilamafoni lawo yabo are we allowed to mention names, brands?
why not
Mr. Nyoni lo, you're allowed to say anything.
G, what are you guys?
That's all. Tampo.
Kunale brand le phone yami yabona ukuthi ngothatha ifone then ayibhadala monthly.
Yeah.
your brand
No, not my brand. The brand bathi ifone yami babethu nje ukuthi ifone yami.
okay
Wait.
then
Ligama lale brand le phone yami.
No, the name of angathi ngingasho
name
yeah,
Oh,
ifone
okay.
yami but particularly tholakala ePep Ackermans I think.
Okay.
Yeah, litolo le. Uyakuthenga ifone kufanele uthi contract because ayibhadala monthly.
Yeah.
Then keep it deposit. Mangayibhadala bayivala.
The phone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ukhona receive ama-calls kuphela. Not allowed to make any calls.
Ngathi wena unyamalele WhatsApp. Ubuya wasike mangabhadali phone.
Yebo. Angeke ngamanene. Ngale contract yase Vodashop says ingcono because now ungayibhadali kwama-areas and then the next month uyibhadale double the price. Mara leyo ukuthi ngabe ngangabhadala ngitholakale awu cha.
Angikhona ngeke bethu inyana ngithi. Nah, I used to.
Ufake inhlanhla nami yathi ngidzinga imali. Not in that way.
I'm just
Shem ngiphe imali uma ngangipha kwa 10,000. Ndikingathi stophela.
Uyabona sidla ama-go slow.
Kanti ngizobe ngasiphi ama-goslow?
Sekumehlangana.
I find it
Ngabe uthenga ama-style, ngithenga ama-style.
ngithole lokhu la mina I know nothing about this thing.
Yabona
Ngithanda ama-style.
kunema-sponsors ala ekhaya la invisible akasisheli bavele bashiye nje tile bahamba.
No lana kuthi ngithole abantu bathi
Awusephelile
la
Mara nabo bashiya
Ne.
end. Mara flavor leyo bathi ayisemnandi.
okay
Goslow. Vele wena usitshizwe nje bona.
Naphi
Wena.
mina lalela. Mina Madumbe. Mandongmane, yabona Mandongmane.
Yini Madumbe?
Mathapha.
Oh yeah, nami.
Mandongmane. Prefer lo.
Uyamathi ukhoma njani kodwa?
Notini.
Yo noma simthola le ndzaweni ungathi unghlale ngobani ngithandayo.
umthola kule
Akasho njalo. Ungithembisa ukapa. Kuthi
Mbangani, okay, Mbangani.
Nama ayena ubanga nawo
mina
mina
ngithole lo ifunayo.
uyangisuka nje mina ngibunde
Manje wakhohlwa kunama security sengiyabakhomba nanya.
guys ngichamben on wena kala lezo
security show.
Kunama security awuseka okay.
Ngicina kutsala phela.
Ngiyabona.
Angana nifuna ukusisponsorisha ngema Ntontoni manje sengidoda ngitona. Futhi lo sekuyabanza.
Sakunika imakhomba.
Tanzania
Ile live akayifuni sakunika imali awushaya dume
Phela
ngazo.
mina ngamahloni
but guys why kani bantu basabe kani but mara TikTok bakude
uwedwa.
bakunyalo sisodwana la
Yeah, sona.
Nani ngivele
Sona it's just a
I don't know how
Mara bakune bantu ngathi vele ba
na more than 4 people so babalekile but ngisukulo ngiye but just imagine more than 4 people I don't know bangisukela baphize babaleka bona
basaba wena.
That's make sure selokshini.
Nawe
Make sure bamfundi phela
alikho kahle kahle. Lo.
ngenzeni mina
Sokhulile. Soshithe.
nani
Uhlupha wena. Lobe yafana ne COVID.
Unema Jonas.
Wafa Jonas basakhona boJoyce.
mina ngiyacakeka athi
Phela wena bungumakhelwane wami khohliwe.
bu
Uma 18.
mina
Hawu.
hayi man
Bongahlama 18 wena.
udwama kahle
Wena bowuta kubhuti wakho ngiyama ibhuti wakho. Uzandile, ngiyama ibhuti wakho nawe ngiyakwathi. That's why ngithi wena ngumakhelwane wami ngangibona ukufika ngale.
Makakhona kuyavakala. Uyamosha.
how's Kairi what are you doing
Fine. I'm a presenter.
presenter indaba
Being in the breakfast show, but starting from July, you and at the exclusive power drive from 2 to 6. Nah,
From 2 to who?
To 6.
Damn.
why in change
Angathi mhlambe they're trying a different dynamic yabo.
Is it
Ngifaka amanye ama-shows nangabo.
is it weekend?
No, Mondays to Fridays.
So
Why?
9 to 5. So shange 9 to
9
5.
to 6.
But 9 to 5.
But are you getting paid kahle lapha because many people are complaining?
Why do we have ngatile what's coming here and ngifuna tindzaba?
No, siyaxoxa, we're having a chat.
Ngathi angifuni.
I
I don't want to talk about 6 months.
I think she's getting paid well because coming in machine.
Oh, now? Oh, okay. Yeah, lapha emsebenzini.
No, yeah.
Oh, okay, congrats.
Hey.
Driver.
Fuck it.
Oh, man, driver. Better class.
Oh, ngiyabonga, thank you. Nathufuna yambuza nje. Unenkinga nami. Angangithanzi vela.
Uyakumbizana, mhlawumbe
Ngabe ngiphethe ngisilangane yabantu kokugela. Kanti vele kwentiwa yini ukuthi isikhiya semoto singahlali esikhwameni?
Nice, natural.
Naturally.
Fana ne-iPhone, ne? Awuyifaki esikhwameni. I don't know.
Bese mase kulahlekise nesinyanyise.
Angeke ilahlekise sasa.
And isikhiya silula vele ukuthi sihlahleke mina ngeke ngashiya kulo kanjani.
Counter. Mina ngayifone ngashiya counter.
Wathi Bobo ifuna isekho.
Engaba kunike futhi isitona nami vele ngiyadlala.
Mina ngajike emotweni ngathi hayi man. Kia.
Gone.
Ngasitholile ngisobasavala vele sebathesikhiya
Semoto.
semoto ngihamba nawe.
Maye wena njani?
Ena yangikhumbuza ukuthi lesikhiya la.
Maye wena njani?
Asayicekeza
Awunabakhomba
Tinolova sayicekeza.
Now bani baboshwe.
Indzaba ngikude kuthi are we getting paid well Kerry? Uveni
Ngitelo lecela kwakho.
lo.
Ngani nayo is a former employee lapha.
Ngiyo interview khoma nje ivekhoma. Yebo ngiyakhoma Sam.
Nje ufuna nje sibuyele one day, there are a lot of things ufuna siye lapha soqoqa ngakho nje. Not but my chat nje.
Buya ndokoda nami.
Yeah, no, we can go.
Ngike ngaxoxa nawe wangichomela.
Come now you also on radio now.
Yeah.
Which way to talk?
And I once interviewed him. Mara ngale ndlela wangichomela ngakhona. Bongibona nje nawe indlela hleli ngakhona.
Uthina unfinished business.
Hayi.
Uyangikweleta.
Uthi mina ngiyamchomela. Ungithembise ukuthi mina ngifuna ngifike kuleli viki le. Athi okay.
Yeah.
Lela ngifuna ngifike ngazo yajika. Fika next week.
Phela ngani ngifuna ukukunika kahle isikhathi
Lalela mangifika. Lesikhathi angitshele ngaso. Asekho. Sengithola mina sonebani usekuyaphitsitela lapha mina. Le studio bese office nala mama interview abasafuna ikhaya. Bana basala bona attitude. Abasafuna ikhona. Bese ekhona.
And ngibatshela ukuthi babukele wena so ubatshela ukuthi
Hello.
Hello,
it was the crew what is it? There was a Mncedisi Shabangu theater festival. So it was the cast and crew members bayo.
Did you go watch?
I did. I watched 3 of the shows. Ngiyile one
Hotel and what?
It was Vuga Machel, it was Tent Bush, in the hot.
I wanted to my play. Labo ukuthi
Yeah, wala Mncedisi, don't you remember Mncedisi Shabangu? Wadlala to Rhythm City.
Khuluma nomlo wrong TV.
Ubukela ini phone?
podcast.
Nepon.
Yeah.
Ayibone ngibukeni.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Plus the equipment nayo khona nje yonke into ibe up. Ngosami ngiyacabanga nawo 10 years ngakubona.
Ne.
Seriously?
Social media ngibona mos.
Yeah, social media phela kufana na flash. Uyabona nyamnyawo la ngimuhle njani. Nangiphuma ngihlangane nemuntu egedeni.
Akusuke.
Ngiyagegeza. Angigegezi guys ngisho nene.
Vele kunje.
Ne.
Ngihlele emkhathini kwami ekujina so.
Bathi wena musa ekhona msafisa washeka nyana.
Mara kuyazama.
That's the reason I'm asking you ukuthi
That's why. That's a lady. Nguvazelela lomuye lapha ku Facebook.
Ngiyendeni ngitheni?
That's the reason I ask her ukuthi they pay you.
Ngitheni?
Kuhle usinga bona lomuye athi uBalentine call lo commentile. I don't know what you said. Or it was I think it was a picture of yourself. I think what you posted. Lo muntu
phela
wakhomenta back kuwe. I think mubi ever.
Uthena so mubi. Like uyabona kwa Facebook lo ukuthi before and after.
Yeah.
Before and after. And that's my cousin. Uthi so mubi. Ngithi mina ngcono kunayi mara wrong. Ngibhetere.
Kwenyoni sonjani nyalo since 10 years ago before and after.
So ukhulile.
Khulile mthini.
Mana mina ngawuhlala ngana.
I don't know.
Solingana, maybe ngishiya ngeminyaka.
I'm 93.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a lot of trending stories, guys. Like,
Yeah, there's a lot of trending.
Lots.
There's a lot of trending.
Because ngazingena kuwo.
Why?
I don't know, like, but I can tell.
There's a lot.
Singalanga lakho wedwana.
Exactly.
Today is Friday, but so
Stofuna kushaya inyawo.
yeah, but ufuna kushaya inyawo.
Nami ngibale.
That's the reason
What's trending, my dog?
Mina lengisekhulu kakhulu ne le podcast le out there yasefinalo ekhuluma ngayo. You saw it?
Mara kwendekeni, why did it take him so long ukuthi akhulume?
Manje yasola agula. Okomvelo uyasho ukuthi usola bangene esibhedlela aphuma namanje.
Mara kubuhlungu, I did watch it.
Eish.
Especially mase kachaza ngokuthi ulimele kangakanani kumajozi.
Mabafakile lapha.
Mara cobo vele nje. Elimatile mna nebani shame.
But yena person akathi ukuthi nguye. Usibafana laba
But the fact ukuthi umithile.
Yes, not once.
Not once.
Yeah, many times.
Wathi kuyokukhuluma, buyaka mstokhuluma. Yabona?
Nakhona wayambitele kakhe.
Uyayibona
you know people they do like that. If you have power they does like that.
Because I think if ngabe mhlambe bekuthi akusuwe wena nyondo wende lokho ngicanga ukuthi ufika kule out mfethu ngiva bathi ngidana so yabona hali mfana labafana bamningi wathi bakwende so ngicela bakukhulumisa ngiyilungise yani
because even you actually supposed to wafika the first time ubathola base guilty
but also my brother inkinga ukuthi there's two sides to every story
yebo nami lento ngisho yona ukuthi singaphawula
mine ino le bese yang le timing yakhona the timing Elama video and like guy. Why now, too?
You know me now. What can I say? Why now? I got say I could power level than I before. You know, sometimes my brother, but for my so past this way things are happening to come on. I'm like,
yeah.
True.
Yeah.
But
pity the thing. How many people they come after him after?
Yeah, even about arcade.
Mara. When it comes to politics, it's different.
Yeah,
but like it's so high. Jacob Zuma macala ke emarried na vita avelele khathi sekongena
ngani besola bam distract ngani
yebo and normally if you noticed
yes
even Ramaphosa before angena power net lekathi afuna ukuthi ongene ngoba lento ikandalinyana nje leti ngaviseki Ramaphosa uthole billionaire uthole ma tender so yabona so it makes me question ukuthi okay is it because of the party
exactly that's what I thought now.
Or for now
so because if you being honest
yes
the party beyithola traction if you being honest
yeah nababe bayibhesha futhi
before yena avela before yena avela ku party wonke umuntu bekagijima nale party
nam self ngigijima naye but no bengithanda the idea because it's one of the idea nam ngicreated
exactly
the idea mabathanda but the moment babathi
ngathi and I saw the colors I thought it was you I'm not gonna I saw the colors
why vela makhala ngoba ngathi makhala afana cishe
Mara I think it's the South African flag
yeah, I think so,
what
green
so bantu bagijima na le party
mina I love it
but as soon as
no bengithanda lesa sikhathi lesikhathi qhamuko the way beyiqhamukisa ngakho
yes
bengithanda
mina I once called one of them unfortunately ngikhona ukumention
it's fine
ukuthi okay bengafuna isikhulume ngale party per se but we were talking about politics in general
yes
so yabo vele wangisa lena vele wangisha vele ngekharel vele lokuthi uyabona ukuthi vele it was like ngathi okay ngimtshelile savumelana nedibe kushoda ukuthi siconfirm the date and the time so le khansi kabuya kimi so ngiqhamuke nestory ukuthi no we cannot do this and this and this blah blah blah
why you were restricted
because
this thing is clean
Schoolman politics. Party. We just wanted to speak in politics.
Because if I remember correctly, there was a time when Bafaka Tombesaki.
Yes.
I think somebody was taking a part. And then man, go on comments because Joe wasn't gonna loan. I said Puma. Joe wasn't gonna loan. I'm see vote. But keep a statement. But Mandam is not part of this. Political party. But I see party and political party. And then Baban Babuel, okay. All of a sudden, boom! We are one. So I think, possibly, I'm not saying it's true, but possibly one of the reasons why maybe Le Video is a facile, it was because of
that.
It's okay now, so
Sibanyathela le party per se.
yeah, bon. Obviously bahlala
Yeah.
banganyatheli. Yabona? Angeke ukuthi wena look wrong uyi-leader ya something.
Yes.
Le organization lo leader yona into affecteka.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what happened to ANC. I understand.
Yeah.
So, hey, mara mabuala manceba bhuti.
The fact ukuthi akakhona ukuvula umlomo akhamisa like properly. Nokudla
Never
khona
ngabe ngemali ngomdonatela something.
Nah, le out yapusha mfethu. Because ngibonela post elini.
unenkinga takhe that
Yeah.
guy
But
like
yena self-sakhona ukuthi
Akasanamandla, la mandla.
Because manje site eliwa
But
seven mara boy ngonganceda ngani mara phela ungazuli
like donation.
phela lo muntu
Ngisho ukuthi nyalo ufuna ngathi operation another operation and it needs
A lot of money.
a special doctor.
Yo, sho. Bamshayelana wakuvuleka. Aye.
And I mean that guy.
Mara nalabe bamshaya
I don't think ukuthi bamnyathela le Rockman. Because ubala everyone lula pha. Yena kayibali kakhulu ngaleyo ndlela le Rockman. Understand?
Yeah, yena he does it.
Ngoba ukuthi uintervenile and ngendlela lingasi right. Remember Skhumba ne?
Yeah.
Skhumba sepinari.
Yeah.
Wacabana nebantu
Yeah.
bale Rockman. Azange cabana ne Rockman. Rockman
Straight.
intervene ngendlela lingasi grand.
And interview.
And there was one recording.
Yeah,
You understand
yeah.
Because bana baningi abanenkinga nalabantu bakhe. Yena udume ngaleyo ndlela leyo esikhathini esiningi.
Yeah.
But say yena nale intervene yakhe iba ngale ndlela. You understand le nto leyo. Kuthi athi uyangathi usingima isibani nanani. Like you are a proper leader my brother. Skhumba uyamtshela about my brother. Mina bengexpect ukuthi wena nguwe ufuna uphuza
Ulungise le,
but
yeah.
wena nguwe wena and mina if I'm a leader my brother ne if wena unibambane lelo gromsobe ngikwelisa to show proof
yeah xolisa tikwe
because that kwena but if mina ngimcashela ilawyer it means what it means ukuthi usine promote
yeah and
sorry and ubambe ulaleni lo yiwani once mina uprotector wena ngisaba ukuthi wena mawusobosha ugwetshiwe khona into ekhuluma ngakho mina that's one meaning understand.
It looks like that. Yeah.
Mara into ebufuna ngisho ukuthi angisho yena vele like he's a leader.
Yes.
There are people who look up to him. Finally, if when a mistake or if kunento lo yendile vele yonke into nema consequences you have to face them.
By example.
And yena abantu abaningi like they are young mandla msibisi lebakhulako that are looking up to him. Sebayokuyendakalani masebona but yena ngibona ngathi okay, there are a lot of people that were mentioned lapha. Yena uqame ngoba vele ngimandla msibi. Ngiyacabanga abathi kuna siltebhe yokuthi lo ngato notice ukubona siltebhe umshayile nana. But it's because ngimandla msibi bengehlali vele. Ungayendi ngalendlela kwendlela.
And akamishina istory sakhe phela mention istory abantu abayithula about bashonile. Oh no, yeah, baba nemagama. Nokuthi bahlala ngale.
Ilo yabe kaphihliza Phihliza was a person.
Wait.
Yeah.
Nebantu abashonile babulawa ngubani?
Bathi those people mabaphuma basibe baya ngani ngathi kusinto esimhlanje ngeke babhizi ngala campaign abo. Kufanele singaphuma ngithi mina ngiyakuphi what do you call the party? SDP nanani siyakuzibani uthi sihambe sekuphi kuphi you understand? Mhlambe siyasuka so mobilize in whatsoever you understand and kungasabuyi. And masabangibuta uthi yena le out mabase bababuta uthi isotsha lifele
Empini.
and uthi nayo one lo ngatholakala till today.
Yebo.
Le out
Nagel ubale kunagel khona lebambalelo disappeared.
Kune le out le ishone Empini whatever.
Yeah.
Ipart.
No ayanyalo.
Sengisho ukuthi ipart.
Uhamba na. Yakijima
na.
Rockman usho njalo ke.
Oh, okay.
Ayi usho njalo yakijima naye.
Mina ayikusa use.
Manje what are they insinuating? I don't understand.
Yena ukhala thina social fele empini. What does that mean?
Ukaza ukuthi lama incidents ayisi yakhe kuphela. Maningi ama incident ayileka lapha egameni lakhe lo Rockman. You understand?
You mean I used to look up to him ever.
You wish.
Bengifisa nami mina kuhlala naye ngixoxe naye.
Nami ngizamile mina time ngiyafisa kuhlangana naye but now vela
Kunzima.
Mina one thing I like about him but I saw one day ukuthi he was looking for something. That's the reason. Yabona kaso King Anderson. Kaso King mabhasi. But I saw ukuthi bekadinga something phela. You understand? After that, yeah, bekadinga something
Kuphelele vele.
Asangiphelele nzawo. Because this thing le movement le yeah. Ngoba yendele if
Mashumashu.
You understand? Because bekayibambile.
My brother baya striker kune match engodini.
Yeah, ngibonile.
Oh, okay.
I saw it.
There's a movement.
There's a movement engodini.
Hey, bekuzemna uyela like guys nathi no.
Funny enough. Like guys
Oh, thina.
Quiet, Joe.
Sike
No, because ngifuna kuyenda mina, but ngiyabona ukuthi no, ngiyala ngisigrade. Emoyeni.
Mara's quiet, Joe. Why?
Eh?
We have leaders, Mara's
Thulekile,
quiet,
kutshe.
Joe.
We have leaders njengoba missionary leader.
The political leaders are not
Ah,
quiet.
yebo. The councillors bakhona.
We
Kunama-councillors.
don't have leaders like that.
Kunekani,
Makhansela.
Ngcinele ngikuba ukuthi ngale ekhayini babitile ukuthi imande awangeni sina 2 weeks babitile meeting. Cancel the meeting. So we don't have leaders, my brother. We have
Kunekani, Joe.
Mina ngishilo ngathi ene bayosuka lebo KZN basukele bokubuku babuye betela kids like.
and ibuke lento leyo. There's the Romanian nesibalayo. Angomangale ukuthi bafuna kutangala. Ayini ngasideni icamke nayo.
Afuna benefit akuyo.
Yeah, phela ukukhumbule ukuthi ngiyalufuna imasi ngendlela
Ye
yakhe.
ngale ndlela ene phela ukukhumbule ukuthi nana ama video amjida. Amoshile somehow. Yeah, amoshile.
And solo uzama ngayo yonke indlela kusabela. Mina yabona mina ne if I'm a leader, ngene mistake. Mina awungangifune ukuvela in front of kulamlight. Ngani ngende ma flops. I'll groom someone. Yena abe lapha. Mina ngibe
At the back, yeah.
About SDP, truly speaking, ngafuna bayifaka.
But
Nabe nathi sijoinile SDP, not 100%.
but-
The way coming up on the movement.
But why kube nema marches ema foreign illegal foreigners?
Yes.
But eligazi
Good.
quiet.
Elikazi sesikude mama.
So kungaba stop sifuna bheka ukuthi yamudayilikazi njani. Dayilikazi sifuna umuntu lotoqala sesitula nje. Cala
Elikazi sifuna umuntu lo prominent ukuthi ichambeke nasibani lento khanze silandzele. How should we?
Yeah, uqinisile kahle they follow a name not
This thing yelona my brother ngikubelela yona le SDP. I started it. Like you guys good le ilandzele ngaleyo ndlela. But if ngabe ichambeke ngalomunye umuntu, ngabe ichambeke nabo basi le Robert.
All the idea,
Yeah.
Ngabe Robert Gumede, ngabe nami ngibayisupport.
awufeaturing
Two.
kanti bothuleleni.
Ethu kunalento le patrol. Ichambeke nyalo. Sikunama walkie talk.
ifake iqhambe nawo ngiyayikhumbula siphuma soma
It depends ukuthi ungwebani mawenda lento leyo.
ngiyakhumbula
Bafuna ube
amabhara
part of the system yabo.
communicate ku WhatsApp uthi sesiyaphuma yelo soma ibashare.
So yabo, I'm not part of the system. If you're not part of the
Dog.
system, very against the system. Very
Phela-
ngiyathela.
Mara wayibo ungasho phela ngabe ngiyalosile.
Oh, many times. So
Yeah, but
ngiyamjabulisa lokho.
engotini ba-strike too.
Yeah, no problem.
Engotini kune-march baphumile I've saw ama-video emalo kanjani ama-shops la for la own ama-foreigners
Yes.
bavalile
A shout out to them.
yabona.
Engotini they got power, brother. How many millionaires are Engotini?
Ene ba brave banga sengodini ba
You
brave.
understand? How many Engotini phela ifani ilikazi itapu ngengotini and ilikazi befuna be topping ngengotini. So Engotini by sponsor. Many people by sponsor Engotini.
Ngiyaweva maza semathulu akhuluma yabona and aqhamuka nawo lo mcondo ukuthi ngala sizoyisusa
Yes.
likazi yeah emathulu
Mara la yabo tena munye lovele ngaphandle ukuthi mina njani.
Bekufunakala ukuthi simele sibani mina lesikhathi mayisusa le befuna onke lama province onke lama
Isuke vele ya.
what makes me wonder now ukuthi
because nyasefa into yasekhezi eniphela.
mhla ka-30 yoba njani like it.
Oh Dodo Ketsena likolanga lingafika.
Oh usho ukuthi
Tuesday.
ngoba mina my wish ngifisa
Kuyoba so.
kungabi
Kuyoba so.
kungabi mina ngifisa kungabi nebudlava. You understand?
Mina ngifisa kungabi nebantu abalimalayo.
Wonke umuntu expect uzivele kube nebudlava.
Mara.
Baluthe.
Bayisa le bayisa
Naluluthe.
lento lebayichamka nayo le idea la.
Obvious bayibuke ngathi into leyo
Yes, into leyo.
mara do you actually think ukuthi like it into endele
Lelikazi yayitwendela.
mhla ka-30
Ah mina lithemba
Hayi
kahle.
likazi ngiyashasa ngicala mos. Elikazi emngani wami
La ilikazi bayoyisebenzisa ezindlela yabo ukuthi baluthe.
my brother funa sihlangane after mhla ka-30
Yeah,
sikhulume
sikhulume
ngeso angibontsho
I'm telling you.
Barelaxe kakhulu, barelaxe
telling
kakhulu.
you.
Even yakuthi lento lena lebo KZN, I'm sorry, lebo KZN ngalendlela ibhekeze ngakhona. Each and every radio station is talking about much too much. My podcast they're talking about much too much. Influencers, content creators. Lakithi lana.
it's quiet Joe
Thina sikhuluma ngase Spotify kusibalo bafuna ukungena ku-counseling kuphela. Bavale
nini
mkwathu.
lapha
Babe
ka-Brenda.
bangavale logo, how
Bavale
guys. Spotify yeah langa kaphezulu.
Bavale.
Bavale twice, last week and this week.
Nani sikwavale
Hey,
For-
when was it?
for
Sometime this week, Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
lokho ukuthi maniqhamuka labo yini and khona
Yeah, khona idlule.
Yena noma uqhamuka Spotify yale.
Why?
La
Okay,
ngabhaso.
what's the problem?
Okay, babakhala i-community yasemhlume. Nenzawo basesemhlume. Ngokuphupha la kabhaso nje.
Oh, le talk ngale.
Ngabakhala ngala ituli yabo.
Oh, ngenela ngale bo 6 ngale
Yeah.
amajukujukwini.
Bakhala ngokuthi abanamandi. Umgwaco vele uyabo when it comes to umgwaco vele bacinisile hawo kubi.
Hayi babona Mr. Phana
Kubi ngale indlela
lapha kusepinari sorry kusho njalo kusepinari ngathola ukuthi bakaka ngaphandle.
Yeah, kude manje. Kude suwa exactly. Even ngala ma 33 labanye abana lamanye emakhaya wona.
Cabanga yakutsala njani indzawo leyo?
Phela imhlume yakutsala.
my brother.
Yo yakutsala.
No guys, mina ngicela
Bakhala ngalo. Oh bakhala nawo ukuthi bafuna ukuthi uma lento into endeka shoot le project ipass ukuthi babafakela leyo suwa babafakela ama pipe manje bacela kucasheka. Because ukhumbule ukuthi when it comes to a project.
Yeah.
Man.
Funa cashwe abantu benzayo.
Basemhlume.
Yayibona lento le iqhamukile politician. I'm telling you iqhamukana labantu idea. The politician iso ukuthi le budget ekunjonjo nyalo yazi. Makusuka yena njani yasibani bayo match.
Okay, lalel. Even if that's true, it's not a bad idea.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. But it is a bad idea inza usebenzisa abantu.
Ya.
Wena ubenefit wena.
Wetwane. Lokuhlungu ukuthi benefit.
Bona bato benefit. But hayi
Not as much
nje.
as you. Yeah.
Mara mina ngicela kubuta la. So if bathi abana ma surichi, abana mali awafiki and so on and so forth. Bayithule njani inzawo?
Umloko lesibuta ngone even
Bayithola ngemakhansela.
Because I believe
Bayithola ngemakhansela
because I believe ukuthi before uthola indzawo kufuna evaluate icala ibona
Senzelwa emakhansela. Bathengiselwe nchief.
social development friend of
Senzelwa emakhansela.
mara wena ufuna kungitshela ukuthi wena yabona mawume ekhayini ubuka letulu ngane yabo ukuthi igcwele indlu njani babe ngongibanda abantu le gezi ifike njani le
Emakhansela lo nchief.
and most yabo bantu bekhamba
Bayahlala khona because uzothini ngoba uyabona solo abantu mangena nawe ugcina songena.
Kuthi indzawo le dedicated for abantu baselikazi ukuthi abantu baselikazi bayangingala.
mara Eskom ufike njani
Sagcina ngeThekwani. Kwagcwala abantu bangala bankumazi.
Eskom ufike njani le
Eskom ufuna abantu babhadala igezi uyabona ngini.
Eskom is a business.
So Eskom le bangafaka indzawo leyo one sekubasimoja baceze yonke le lenye bathi connectele labantu.
Eskom is a business.
mara yathi shem South Africa
Kesilakhuluma nge-machine match manje.
Yeah, isukile machine match. I don't see it happening like that.
Hayi toyendeka my brother, I'm telling you.
okay mara kahle icala ngibani Jacinth
I don't know.
Basho
mina ngavele ngabona seyikhona la Jacinth so front
mara ngathi bathi for her ngathi it was mostly through talks. Kakhuluma when mostly advocated ukuthi sine influx ema illegal foreigners.
Yeah.
And then bo phakelo mthakathi babangibo laba
bayisukumela
bayisukela physically yabona but ngokuqala ngathi icale ngokukhuluma hayi yakhuluma futhi manje
Angiyambona lo munye.
ngomunye ngibanga
Imali manje lo munye ngani ngiyaphakela nalo ngiyo.
oh mchunu baphakela
Ayinja le ayinja.
mina ngithanza English yakhe
Ayinja. Mina ngithatha everything. Kodwa lana akhuluma ngokhotha. Uthela bomama silabantu bangaphandle babakhotha. Abazwana Akayibona.
Because beke tani ngamthatha.
Sasidakwela nina sicela ngokukhotha indoda ayikhothi indoda ayibuthi phansi ikucela 2 years into. Ikucela inkosi ikucela mayicolisa kuphela.
bakhothana
Basabantwana
Yakhotha
asikhotha.
ma ultra man
okay
So nalanyelo nyesesi ukhuluma ngosila abantu bokuhamba nina 3 bantwana ngasinemntwana lo yi1 naye lo muntu okhamba. Yena uhamba
engibone bambhesha
akafuni khamba kumba akafuni
usabafuni bahambe.
akafuni
Yena
bahambe
walaye.
akafuni bahambe
Akafuna hambe.
ufuna umuntu wakhe
Bazahambe uzohamba naye.
akahambe naye vele umoja akahambe naye asinaki and asifuni nasekafika ngalese kashuba so ucela ukuthi government imsidi kubuya
What do you say about our government? They keep us 600 million.
Ejo ngibone le
bona lama deployment
yes
Imali engaka slamba so Nemali South Africa nemali that's why everyone is coming to South Africa
so this is what happens in South Africa
Bangasipa malini mara
in South Africa
wena mara basinika u
ungena e-crash ulethi lapho ufuna ubhadale 400
Yes.
uphuma e-crash uyongena e-primary primary bakutshela ukuthi okay maybe ubhadala 300 ngenyanga mara kunema uniform in between sports what nani phume esikhomeni sakho uyaphuma primary yakho i-secondary khishwa lenye imali ma uniform nani stationery nani babuye bakutshela ukuthini bathini education is the key
to success.
awuzwa shaya khona lesilungu you understand uhambe uyoenda lo education is the key to success uwena level na N5 N6 wakho N7 wakho ejo bantwana baze ba graduate muntu in 4 years sone honors une degree sone honors so uyafunda akakaza span makaphuma tsofuna span bathini different experience
sona ngakhe
msebenzi kude at that point ogijima 25 years sona 25 years bathi msebenzi kude yingiloko in fine banike 370 yeah bamnike 370 nalama honors sakho yabona bakutshela ukuthi ngalo 370 ngoba uvula ibhizinisi ngalo 370 ukuthi solo 370 wavula ibhizinisi span kuphi all of a sudden nine ngani niyabona ukuthi hayi nami tamatisi bengazithengisa mos nami tamatisi gogo yalima mara lawa gogo siyawadla nami bengazithengisa tamatisi ena khona ukuthengisa tamatisi la gogo ngobe nyoni ulaze bangani bakhe basemalawa bathengisa amatamatisi la uyabona so sin kungcono bonyani benenjani bahambe as soon as ukuthi bonyani abahambe i-government imali yokuthi stop ukuthi bonyani bahambe ikhona
cabanga mara kude le
$500 million
wena iningi le mali eva
$500 million Joe
azange ngisembe kasi ngibuye ngilale sometime ngilale ngasi ngiyadigest lenza
$500 million
ubuhlungu ne
kakhulu
ubuhlungu
ever since this guy angenile ku president yini kayindile for South Africa
bakhale Cape Town ngemaGames
levela ngazacalele statement sakhe vele nje angazathi ngiyacima vele shem ngiyacima angikhona kumbetelela nobani
let me tell you my dream bengisola into ishare this thing I dream one day ngikhuluma about this thing ngi live ngikhuluma ngokuthi Cyril Ramaphosa is a clone.
Clone, yeah. What's
the you know what's the clone?
I know what's the clone. There's supposed to be a real one. Where's the real one?
The real one is no longer there.
What happened to
no longer there, you mean dead?
No.
Ukhona
but akekho kule White House. That's my dream. Ngiphupha ngikhuluma expose this thing.
Oh, you had a dream?
Yes, I had a dream.
Oh.
Expose this thing, expose ngiyanyamalala for 2 years. Lesikhathi se national elections yabo ngiyavumbuka. Ngiye radio ngikhuluma about this thing. Ngibita wena expose yona basi nanga umuntu bese mfuna ngani ngiyakuthi bathu baya ukuthi live. Kanti lapho sengine bafana nabo manje njalo.
Okay.
Yeah, like crew like that.
Yeah, so protected. Yeah, so protected.
If ayibonakala yikho visible yabo.
Yeah.
So mama yathi mangiphuma lapha ekhaya ngidophuma ngihambe ngesomewhere. Bangithathe. You understand? Kanti babuke bona labantu abangithathayo, bangithathe, bangikidnape. Bangimixe ka Ramaphosa. So babalandzela lapha. Laba bana idea. Ngisephupheni my brother.
Yeah.
Bafike ka Ramaphosa benenjani? Bangena phakathi mina ngani noma boom gate vele yabona bese laba bazuphe ne connection vele bazuphe nanani bangena endlini yabo khishwe ibhamba ngalabana idea laba kama khishwe ibhamba nanani
bafuna leadership
balona akhulume Ramaphosa athi madoda it's live lapho sifaki live bathi hey mina vele kudzala mina na clone I'm not the true Ramaphosa keep uyayibukela mhlama movie la yabo lama basimonyishini possible bazi bafana you understand akhiphe onke vele akhiphe nama mask amaningi kanawo lapha endlini ukuthi mina vele sele so nemfato wakhe vele asivelela aboneka sona but now sebaya kusimlana nanibaleke thathe umfato wakhe nebantwana sibaleke nabo
Oh, so Ramaphosa yena so
yativeta leqiniso
ukuthi hayi phela nama angiteki
santeni mina
okay
mina angikho lo akusing you understand yes bangisebenzisa the original Ramaphosa is no longer in South Africa
okay
so ngihambe mangihamba sibaleke nemfati wakhe to siphume ngeavance yabo gcoke sonke njenge yabona
This stream is so detailed.
no one day is going to happen something necishe isimilar
Okay.
sigcoka vele njenge bafati sonke lemotweni siphamba nalabantu bangena nani ba
Abawuboni babona abafati.
umfati Ramaphosa akhulume everything athi mina ngiyadenda vele akusukucala umuntu asilani nokulala because of this and this
Akusinguye.
lapha ngibonini nabo Mandela nabo Julius Malema abo everyone lemacabanga those people laba heavy laba rana parliament
Yeah.
everything nani those people abahlala baphikisana nento yabantu it's because of the system. That's my dream.
But do you think your dream will or can or might
Uthi,
come to
didn't
reality?
you hear him?
Even if ngeke libe the same but
Something similar.
Something, yeah.
you know why ngisho njalo you remember bo Zuma thi ngizokhuluma kuthuka i-country lonke bathule bathi do bomamwini bantu vele bafuna basirescue in this shit that you act my brother bomamwini
Yeah.
because bomamwini wathi yabona mina nawe singadate na usina how many years ngithenile 10 years but angeke mina ngikuphice kulo 10 years loyo ngene kaningi embedeni mina nawe you understand but mamwini wathi kahle usilabe ngasinguye she not
Mara was
very
it true, vele?
well. On this one I'm not saying allegedly.
Benguye.
No.
Trust me.
No.
Bana bani ngasuye. Even ukufa kwakhe bana
I'll tell
bani.
Ufika ingakho lo babelo yamanje.
I'll tell you.
What do you mean ufeka ingaki?
Bamgobela ingakho so bathi ufile so yafa. Ngasikho 2-3 ma funerals bathi ufile manje.
Ngiyaqala ngifa le. Ungeli wayiva wena?
I don't know.
You don't have
That's
data.
why imbuto ukuthi
Check on data.
I don't have.
Oh,
Ngiyaqala
you connected. You're not connected.
Ngiyaqala ngifa le.
You're not connected.
Mandela uke wafa before.
mina ngike ngeva ukuthi Mandela
ufika ningi.
le can afile.
The only thing I know ukuthi bantu bathi akusuye. And I understand
What
why.
makes you-
I understand why
Uthi basho njani?
bantu bathi
It's not him.
ngendeka ngasimuye.
Yeah.
And I get why mina esayidini lami
Yeah.
na it was him
Mm.
because of the things uMamweni was linked to. Remember there was something called the Soweto Boys.
Was yeah.
She was heavily kule bantu lebathi bafa ekhaya lakhe. Yes. Now uyaphuma uyoba i-president of the country.
Yeah.
You are given me sifuna kukwena a president. Obviously they're not going to give you all the powers.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You know that.
Yes.
And there's people labafana nabo Krizan who want absolute power. Which by right, yabona, asifuni le freedom ibe civilly paid.
Yeah.
Le freedom ayibe financial as well.
Yeah.
Ayibe economical as well. You understand?
Yeah.
So running my business the same way, the same businesses you guys ran
Yeah.
before. Understand? But obviously, the white people didn't want to give all the power away. Hence why Krizan Benderani bafa before my election.
Before yeah.
Understand? But now, as the anointed to be president,
Yeah.
ugu chance yokuhlala and be the president ukhulule bantu. There's a civil war brewing. It might happen. If it's not elections now, it's gonna happen. I understand. Ngala kunetikanda tabani tamamawini. Isoweto senjani
Ayisamfuni.
These are the same people we're fighting for. Now abasakufuni. Don't you think reputation yakhe would dent your reputation? Cabanga kahle Joe. Wena ukakela phaya ufuna kudonsela amasimba akho ukuthi uma nami la eceleni.
Uthi yini
Yeah.
ukuthi mama wena ukuthi bangasamfuni?
Letikanda leto. Lokufa kwalabantu lokushade nani. And if we're being honest, I can't justify what she did, ne? But it was known back then. Ukuthi waba impimpi Joe.
Uyabulawa yeah.
You understand? Waba impimpi uyabulawa.
Also
The
mama wena
difference-
izothi impimbi bekayishiso that's what
Exactly. But the difference is bantu bebaku struggle nalabantu labahlele emakhaya. That's two. Laba ku struggle ba understand in the consequences of buying being. La labahlele emakhaya labalahlekele ngulomuntu lobulewe aba understand lama consequences. Bona bathatha into la emoyeni.
mina
You understand what I'm saying? So for them, for me to bring Mamwini, Mr. Mandela on the side, while Mamwini
Yeah.
and it's not only the Tikanda let's so there's only infidelity as well.
As well.
Bulog, you understand? Obviously, I you understand? So I feel like to clean yonke le nto le, hence why wahamba uthatha a state woman wahamba ulanza mfati wabani wamashele wathi she already knows how to be a state wife,
yeah.
a first
President's
lady.
wife, yeah.
So I think ngimthathe ngimbeke la eceleni. Now I look presidential. Now I sound presidential.
Wena bongakwena uMandela lo.
I definitely divorce her.
Why? Because of those things.
I definitely divorce her.
Why?
Because of what? Kuthi ubulale abantu kumbe because so.
And angakuthi umuntu wangakamdivorce ukuthi ubulale
Not
abantu.
for kubulela abantu. Not for
For yini for ukuthi uyadate.
Yeah, maybe for the infidelity.
My brother ngathi uhlala nemuntu every day date lapha kasendlini. So wena use prison.
Expect us mina
Eh no, awadi. Phela lawo bamtshelile.
Kuthi uyacheat madam akambo.
Besibuya nyalo la lenzaba yeHormone nasipina. Uthi aren't you thinking ukuthi bambhoxa ipleketing?
Ngoba yebo.
It's the very same thing. It's the very same thing ngale. But that's the reason I'm telling you, if this Rodman le ukuthi uphumile was the real Rodman wangena ejele. Bengeka kwena.
Why?
The way bamdescribe ngakhona abantu.
I think if why?
The way bamdescribe ngakhona abantu labamatiko. You understand? Because labanye abantu labangakhuluma iqiniso ngoba bathaba umbheki.
Yeah,
and they saying was every day lo muntu uyahamba ema meeting ebusuku mabona baleke labo baphuma kucala lo yena wasalelani
bekasalelani yebo nami ngeke understand lo
but wasn't he the president?
No bebaka store basakela store
sengisho ukuthi khumbula ukuthi when he was arrested,
yes,
he was the president of the ANC, wasn't he?
I don't know mina
He was the president.
but yena ngasi yanjinjwa phakathi ejele
yebo
yena no
but he wasn't
Usho yini kuba president?
yeah bengasi
He was the president of the ANC.
no
bekayileader nto
yona the president
Am I proud?
by the time bekunabani
bethelana ulona ngifuna
by the time bekunabani by the time bekunabani
no le Rodman
kodwa bekungekho na body by the time
No, listen. Lalela. Angiva nini. The time, okay, man. The time Aboshwa,
yes,
wasn't he the president
no,
of the
no.
ANC?
no
Who was the president?
Man sto check ngani. I mean a very political ngiyadala.
Nama ngiyadala
I know. Ukhabule lokuye kwakhona nje mangukhabule.
Because according to my understanding,
why like why
I no Kelly needs to pay the woman. Angeke.
ngiyatshela thenga imoto.
Thenga imoto maplastic.
yebo imoto sayikhawa ngishiye ama underwears ami ekhawash
Bathatha car.
bazosala ama underwears ami
No, I thought because I've noticed with ANC, it's tradition.
So you saw that found the scam.
Mara-
Is it lifestyle, which one is it?
No, that's how a scanner when I let you into
Okay.
mara mina mangikhumbula kahle was man bekangasilona
No,
Kama okay,
it was not.
I don't think so too nama
Because
ngiyadinga ngale ndlela baya
what I know, what I
Bayijikela labantu bayijika phakathi ejele lento leya ukuthi lo bambothi
and abantu baqala ukuquestiona
So,
vele
then
siku
who-
sakhe makaphuma
Yes.
ejele
then who elected him to be the president of the ANC? Because according to my understanding, for you to be the president of the country, you have to be the president of the party that you represent.
really
Yes. Ramaphosa was the president of the ANC before he became the president of the country.
my brother
Bonke.
please Google lapha.
Jacob Zuma, same thing.
Hallelujah.
Thabo Mbeki.
Phela lapho
Mthatha was
phela
voted
ukhumbula
by-
lapho
by
besalela inkululeko
But
my brother.
as the thing, remember.
My brother besalela inkululeko lapho. Besengacala ngavota.
Vota.
Oh, yeah, my brother plays a lender for food.
phela he was the
And vele nibambe somewhere ngala if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, funa ngiyenze
Yeah, mama, yeah.
It's connecting.
Yeah, try like
So now it alone.
That guy, my brother, listen up here. You can go now, ne? Go to Cape Town or not Cape Town, outside the country, ne? For 10 years, 30 years. Oh, 30 years njengayo. Mawuye unesithatha usesikhumbula.
Akasikhumbi.
Bazokhuluma phela isiXhosa lo muntu ya. At all. Bathi viva phakathi isi right. Oh, my brother. Chat, let's Google, my brother. No.
basivive kwabisi right mara nami when it comes to bantu abaningi they
My
start
brother,
questioning
my brother, this
buye nabantu makaphuma
this
ejele
thing, ne? bantu abaningi masibacala bakhuluma nayo ila bakusilence ngokuyafa between the two. They don't talk about this thing.
Then if
But-
Mako,
but-
wait. There's an interview.
Oh, now we close.
Yeah, he close.
There's an interview between him and Nicole Brom.
Who?
The
Mandela.
Ukhuluma Xhosa. So I understand
Mara in most cases even na
This
kuma
not
meetings wabo even na nalaba campaign khona baloba khona bayangasakhulumi vele isiXhosa.
Listen up here. Phela bokumbula laba bafuna kuraba something, they need to do something usibarabe something. Ukhumbule le nto. Lo muntu yena bayayiprepare le nto leyana. Nyalo futhi kunabo AI nako konke na.
Yeah, kendiwe yeah. Nami ngingangenda manje.
This wasn't, but
No,
this
ngiyabelisa.
We're making an example phela ukuthi nabo back then beyikhona i-AI ya back then. Lele babakwenda back then.
Phela even a-clone yakudzala
Yeah.
iseyitolo. Yabo. If it's planning something, we need to prepare and we prepare ourselves ukuthi namhla soshutha into so. We need to prepare ourselves. Usebenzisa mlomo nana kunemuntu obackground nana yokukhuluma.
Kuyafana namanyalo sesibukela amandiyela akhuluma isiZulu.
Uyabukela.
Okay, no.
Ngiziyadla.
Mbukela imali.
Mandiyela
Mandiyela
kumaZulu.
But no, Mandela was not. So the question was Mandela the president of the ANC when he was arrested? Answer is no. Mandela was not the president of the ANC when he was arrested. At the time of his arrest in 1962, Chief Albert Luthuli was the president of the ANC.
Yes. So what happened?
During this period, Mandela was an underground leader. Had created. Okay. And then he was radical. Remember that he created Koto Wesizwe,
Yes.
the armed wing of the ANC. He was later elected as president of the ANC Who elected him then? In 1991. This was when he was released from prison. Hey, yeah, no, it makes sense.
It's a lot.
That person babuka umuntu abatomuyuza. They saw someone abatomuyuza ukuthi
we digress as we lead back to topic. So much too much. Yes, much too much. Me, now what I'd like to know from you.
Yes.
Princess of the Eighth, as the president of the ANC.
Yeah, nala.
Of the
619,
airwaves.
What's the airwaves? I don't know. What's the airwaves though? I mean, I'm like,
That's the radio, dog.
oh, waves. Oh,
Airwaves.
Oh, airwaves. No, dog, we don't know everything.
I know,
Yeah,
but
we-
well.
Ah, come on, dog.
Usimazulu athini asisicenge.
Angaze ngihlangane ne-radio ukuthi ngize vele ngiyithande ngalo endlela.
Yeah.
Stop. Nambe ngayithazi before ngibabuye. Honestly.
Because I'm limited.
For real.
Yeah. Because I'm limited.
Bengile not to say bengalaleli.
I can't say
Ngilalela
far.
but
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you
Limited, yeah.
don't like because
Yeah, but if you're doing this thing,
you're not even
Ah,
allowed to say Samsung.
That's yeah.
just imagine, you can't promote
mention
another
brand.
brand.
Yeah, you're not
And-
getting paid for
and-
it.
And
We
we
digress
used to
actually.
talk in a minute, very
We-
long because first day.
Wait,
Like,
you know what I'd like to know?
Yeah.
Go.
Yes.
Ufisa ukuthi ma results ali much too much kube yini?
Mina ngifisa ukuthi ibe peaceful first and foremost.
Yeah.
Kungabi nema casualties ukuthi kunabantu abalimele labafile nanani.
Idolo lithi
And
shit.
I wish each and every illegal immigrant abuyele ekhaya, get those papers and come back. That's what I'm saying.
You know what? There's something I noticed. Mawusuka la eSwatini, bakubuta uhlala malanga la ngiyayi.
Yeah, basifuni vele lama bakujanga 30 days.
Why don't we do the
Phesheya
same?
it's 3 months.
Yeah.
Mm.
Why don't we do the same?
Then
My brother,
yes,
why
yes,
not?
yes, yes.
No,
That's why I say they need proper documentation because ungaba a resident yaseSwaziland or South Africa uhlalele permanently. But kudzingeka lawo maphepha lawo. So nabo bahambe bolandza lawo maphepha.
Dabuye.
Babuye. Because ange baze bahlale bangakuyafana noma ngathi angifisi babuye. Lokusala kuba tubuye. We all know that. It's a fact.
Baxoshelana.
Ukuthi bala eSouth Africa ngalokho ngekho emthethweni.
And it's against the law.
Exactly.
Uzibaxosha.
Oh
yeah.
It's against the law. I don't
Mara mina
understand.
kuthi lethi ngetinto kuyangicaka eve. Uma ubuka when it comes to angisho nyalo vele ba promoter yabe kufuna nambe no register kuvota nanani. Okay, to vote nanani. Uma kumele siyovota why bangambuki umuntu one criminal record? Bambuke makumele ayithola umsebenzi.
Repeat the question. Repeat
No,
the
but I
question.
don't understand.
Repeat the question.
Whenever you need to vote,
Because
you vote everyone, including labane criminal record.
Yes.
Why in account inzaba a criminal record when
More
you
your
have to
vote.
vote?
Okay, can I ask?
Why
can
does
I
it
ask-
count
Can I
uma
ask you
ufuna
this?
umsebenzi?
Can I
Uma
ask-
ufuna umsebenzi,
Yeah.
yes.
Can I ask you this question?
Yeah.
Are you then saying people with criminal records shouldn't vote, or they should?
Hey,
If
no,
they
we are
shouldn't
voting.
work,
We are
if they
voting.
shouldn't work,
You
then they
mustn't
shouldn't vote.
Yes. bavotela
Why babafune ma-benefit abona but when it kumele benefit
That's true.
yeah.
I'm gonna try to explain this thing. I think this is just my thought. I think German constitution issue it's everybody has the right to work. Everybody has the right to vote, right? But when it comes to work, there's ethics in work. You understand? Kutiphatha kwangosana nyoni. It counts kakhulu more than kutiphatha kwangonyesana nyoni vote. Am I correct?
Yeah.
You understand?
It's not fair.
Nyoni angaganga or angaphatha abantu kabi emsebentini uthola iwarning. I don't think you get a warning or you vote for doing such things.
Yeah.
You understand? So I think maybe that's why kubukwa emsebentini ukuthi unayo a criminal record. Stokhona kubona ukuthi lo muntu lesimcashako nyalo uyinhlobo lenje yemuntu.
Government tell us South Africa is failing because everything they do it according to their own benefits. Thina bayasikhohla as benefit.
My sister. It's not government.
We don't.
Yeah, whatever it is, when we are governed by Yona or by
No.
Yeah, by whatever it is.
whatever it is, yeah.
We don't have
Coming to like South Africa retire now nangaki iminyaka?
Apparently 60.
How many 60 people are there in parliament?
In parliament display Ramaphosa, how old is he now?
I don't wish to know that guy. Mnyanya patient.
You understand?
Yeah. Badzala labantu batele parliament balala.
Even forget parliaments. We have people in my clinic who are they're not capable to do their own job.
Ngiyaluphuma story ukuthi umntwana wakhe ushade umntwana outside the world. That's the reason that I
So yeah, from Swaziland.
I don't know from where, but
She got married in Swaziland, I think.
because man ngiyaniketwana la ngaphandle. Uyabona na Zuma waniketa Mswati umntwana wakhe. Because if we doing deals very good kanjani.
My brother.
Ngathi lo.
My brother. This is
Mara into lebora pha ukuthi
my
ngathi.
brother. This is why I say history is very important to study.
Yes.
Because if ubuka every great house leke abakhona emhlabeni,
Yeah.
it was built based on diplomacy. I'm gonna give you my daughter. I own Standard Bank. I'm gonna give you my daughter. I'm the president. I'm gonna give you my daughter. And then I'll give you 10% of my shares. You understand?
No, at the end of the day, very
Lo muntu so ready.
No, they saw the end of even next sala. But you know what's the problem, Yalo, my brother? Yendani na delay, no wending
Ngathi nami into lengibona ukuthi why sitholakala nathi.
When they delay,
That's the issue.
just imagine. Ngani nakutsala ukuthi laphana banetinkomo netingulube mhlambe ngaleni bathi bathathe umntwana ngalaba lezi tinkomo tangala njalo njalo understand but hayi ukuthi umndeni wonke wangala
Suya ngale.
And besides,
yeah
lowo kupersonal ku between bona.
nabo laba kube personal kube between bona hayi
Why sekuthathwa i-country yonke?
no phela that's the reason sikhulumele lo ukuthi why thina kanti sijoy
And even uqinisile wona nkosana ngalendlela akhama ngakhona Ramaphosa when it comes to yeah
that's
uyikehlile shemuntu
the way they clone come ngakhona because my brother
mina shami angifuni bangicoshe
my brother man yathi msini if you're a proper human being my brother wonke umuntu unanembeza ufuna inanembeza
Dog.
ayinaye mfethu ayi
Dog.
itena kancane
Yabona in this country what of into lesikhombe yona emadlanga commission ukuthi it's each and every dog for themselves.
yeah
You understand the dog for himself.
Oh,
from bantu bantshontsha 200 billion. No.
and vena le South Africa inzaba onke ama grant ayokhuphuka ngaphandle kwa SRD. SRD phela ikhuphuka yagcina ngalo 20 rand loyo ukuthi lo 370 mara uma ikhuphuka ngo-April ngonini
mina ngibude umuntu akasasa lopheze kasasa why ninga create mathuba emsebenzi ngale mali leyo
lo 370 yabasihole leti mali leti
but
right
why ninga create mathuba emsebenzi create some effect nani than lama million akhishwa every month
because apparently we're not alleged. This is true. We're not a communist country. So for us to create my factory, our own government, we have to be communist. And ukhumbule ukuthi le power le banika yona Mandela azangibamnika yonke. So we are still a publican. You understand? See democratic
nevele yachema ngathi ngingatholi imali yohlala
If
nyenyawo
ngabe-
eswatini nisho ukuthi nakhona kusasa
If ngabe we were a communist
hamba nabo
hence,
abangani bahamba
ngifuna kuhamba ngigrade
Yeah, hamba nabo.
ngifuna kuhamba ngigrade
hence why China is doing so well because it's a communist country. You understand that? Ma factory are owned by government. Like it's a government yahamba. I saw something which was brilliant. I thought it was brilliant.
Oh, you thought?
Yeah, I thought it was brilliant.
But it's
not that it is
Nah, I thought it was brilliant.
Oh,
Listen to me.
yeah.
So apparently, there's a minister. I'm not sure what the minister wants, but there's a minister who decided to tata onke my building la owner the government because I think ngisho.
Yeah.
Yabona la abantu
Yeah.
bahlele ku decided wathatha onke
All my government.
la owner the government awafake ku JSE. Meaning companies now can invest in them. You understand? And the more they invest, the more my stocks are
Kukhuphuka, yeah.
the more it generates imali. Than business than building ihlale
Ihlale
ilutho.
yodwa, yeah.
Kana clinic nala phana.
Thank
Manje
you, my
ihlele
brother.
lemvelo.
Ayiphosile.
Ihlele
Thank you,
why
my
vele
brother.
Ngicela ukuthi basinike nje indzawo nekusiyele office le game change.
Besides my
Bangafunda.
brother, besides my brother.
Marisa enenyalo phela seyihabarisha botsotsi
Oh,
labantu
yeah.
abakhuphuka bayangala
Hey, nani bafuna imoshakale in order to put me tender but
Bayilungise.
one day.
Mara-
That's what happened to Eskom as well.
That's business, my brother.
Basho bathi nak Eskom bekune kanjalo ba labantu bamosha babuye baqashwe.
yeah bayilungise yo mara siphila kahle
Train bakhipha i-railway kusinet kusitongena ama-truck.
I don't understand that part. For E.
For ukuthi nabo kube nabo same holdings ngani. Bakuchaze bashaya
That's why I
i-contract.
said, that's why I see when the man. That's why I see when the man accident langa
manje
lapha.
sekunede eventually
Yeah, hey, my son mhlawumbe usiphathele lomnywana, my son lemnyaka. That guy, my brother, ish. Siphumele ipolitiki asikhulume nje le
iyangibona oh yeah mina nginiphathisele some great ideas
Okay. What?
kunento le ngifuna nani nibe part of it angathi bese ngiyovuma kumba ngenze imvume
Asivumi.
uyafana nalolo mzondo uyafana nalolo mzondo uhloni and ukhulu ngale ndlela khuluma ngakho nabo silento uyayazi
I'm talking from experience.
Rama Junior
Yeah.
okay so K Radio and us
Yes.
CD crew
Yes.
sinale we're doing this drive it's titled Help Us Keep a Girl in School.
Oh, okay.
It's a sanitary towels drive. My
Oh,
pets.
shout out.
So we're doing it na Bongani Malupi. There's this other guy who called my team. Bongani Malupi Kamalaki. Back
He's a
then,
fan.
is last donate.
Oh,
We came up with the idea.
Oh, okay.
We approached him and wavuma ukuthi utosilekelela.
Shout out to him.
Yeah, because now January wasiphatha icathulo, masheti,
I think even Kim Chin
My
was
Yeah, we tried to do
Yeah,
that, but
yeah.
some touches because but it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, so from muntu loyatiko lento ukuthi how uncomfortable it can be uma unganawo lawo mapheds lawo.
Yes.
Kahle futhi besibukele abantwana besikole especially in primary because in nowadays sebaqala babancane. Thina back then besilalethi banyalo.
and they're afraid to talk.
Lokudla kwenyama.
Usho ukuthi lokho
Yeah.
thina besingadli ngadanone.
No, but kwenyama ku process
Yeah, fast. So senda lo uthi sithi labo bantwana labo kuma primary school ukuthi bakhona ke esikoleni without feeling uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Without being ashamed ukuthi phela yabona sukuma sifanele ene bona funa abadlali
Because
base primary abadlali abanye abantwana basakhona ukudlala so yeah we're doing that drive here pads but we'll announce it probably
Man,
next week
I think if you're watching and you want to be part of this,
yeah please come through share come through
Okay,
So benibeke tikolo ingakho mbonana bayingakho what?
besimele ukuthi baqale basideliver lawo mapheds lawo
Oh,
bese then we
take it
decide
from
ukuthi
there.
siya kusiphi isikolo nakusiphi isikolo into le yangenda ngayifuna lento ukuthi yendeke kakhulu
Yes.
it's because of the school that I attended primary school mina I went to Dipembeleni primary school shame
Okay, shout out to Dipembeleni. Product.
ngi product yaseDipembeleni
Yeah.
ngiyalo kungivisa buhlungu ngalendlela isikolo basibukela phasi ngakhona
Yeah.
it really breaks my heart nangalendlela singakhona back then it was Principal Themba I'm not sure if usaphila or so waguga yeah mara Principal Themba namake Memkhoza he was a great inspiration to me washona naye wala izintwana ke ona isekunjalo printers
oh, because my 13, yeah, I remember her.
she used to be my
Islam.
teacher
Yeah,
I used to love her so
Great.
much bekanalobu abona bomemba nyalo sebede lobumake thina back then MJ thina besina labo member ukuthi bangibomake you don't feel that if ungana make you don't feel that
it takes a village. Not anymore, eh?
Not anymore.
Not anymore, sure. Hey, mama enzu manje bafuna kuthengela bo enza ama MX bakhohle ukuthi kambe ezofuna simfunzele story time ebusuku. They understand.
Yeah, akusasekho. And thina bebasithuma ukuthi bebasithuma. Thina bebakuthuma ama chips kushajwe ngeliphunga from esitolo uzofika endlini ungathola leli one. Ungathola leli one. Yeah, nganofika endlini before we hand out lama chips bakunuka ngale tandla. Adikayi lapha.
Abathumela bekhake kuphela.
Onke lamakhaya mara nyona ngokucala uthi wethuma umntana kamakhelwane.
Mina yabona into engivisa buhlungu nginanzaba nokuthunya ngenza unyenyisa lokuthi umntwana nencane kumbe ichebe encane uthola ba date lamabhaqile.
It's no.
Ngula umuntu omtsala yabona le ikazi futhi ngathi nalo mnye sathane.
Akusingilayilikazi kuphela. Yeah, ngoba uhlala yelikazi yeah.
Dog, there was a story trending. Thank you for reminding me. There was a story trending. Young girl, young boy found in the bedroom by Mkhulu. Khulu washaya girl.
Washia boy.
Washia boy.
Kabana ba?
Gabo boy.
Oh.
Washaya girl. Wagela boy.
Dosi yabona isiboy umchaka
Ntombi dase South Africa itikwate so.
Mara kuro.
But I understand.
Wayangakabashaya ngabo 2. Befuna abashaye bo 2. Oh, yekela umntwana bandushaye lo.
Lalela. Ubona boy ukuthi simpatha. Lo ujuthe boy ngathi bafati bakhula fast. Mina ngimanye analyze nje.
Sho ukuthi vele naye boy akanamthethe ekhaya
boy impatha ngani manje?
Uyambona umntwana wakhe ukuthi umntwana wakhe lokhu slaptime kaloku. Lo hlambise umntwana wakhe.
Oh, so shaka sister C.
Mara ngabe ukuthi ngimi ufuna ngabe umthole mara kuronco befuna ngobashaye bo 2.
Yeah.
Oh, abayekela.
Just to be yabona
kushachwe lo mara lo akashachwa kanjani?
Most importantly shalo wakho. Most importantly lumsalo wakho because I don't believe
angeke mina ngize ngiyokungithi ngiposte ukuthi sihambe songena ekhaya kini ungafuni
mara soyabasola labana badlala embedeni because good ama facilities la khona around
yeah
sema facilities la khona
this
one is lento lena
nothi nebesidane nina khumbuza nebadala ngathi
lento le yalimatana
this is the problem
this is yes
mina vele ngabe kuyangamsho mina abantwana ngababani nemafoni
I remember there was a time in high school la ukuthi ngiyantu ukuthi after school awuye ekhaya funa sifunze ama methods e maths my formulas are maths.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, but homework in maths. First thing they do, AI.
And akhona futhi abayibhali yobhala ngibhudi kumbe
bayishuta lelo kanjani?
Yeah, everything.
Bayishuta le homework.
Sesiyobona exam.
Meta ikhiphe kwaSan lapha.
Mara vele ngayidlela sekukhula ngakhona kulamalanga ngivisa buhlungu yeba especially because I'm a mom. Yangivisa buhlungu.
Of how many?
Of one. What do you mean how many?
Mara
no.
First and last.
No, don't say it's first.
I'm telling you.
Mara ukhuluma ngemshado.
So you don't
phela ukuthi ufuna kushada kusho ukuthi ufuna ngiyende abantwana.
Yabona ipolygram la iqhamuka khona. Akafuni
bafuna bentani
bateka lo munye lo ufuna mithi ufuna kumithisa.
Mina nginkinga nepolygram mina ngabe polygram no singabe 100. Dive in. Sofuna sende njani angizwena ene kuyafana yakuthi into lebhlungu ukudinaya husband yakho ipolygamy utokwenda anyways so you might as like it or not you might as well accept uma mncane ngibuye niphile nokho at least the devil
so boyfriend nyala ngathi baby
hayi phela usho kahle boyfriend
boyfriend no polygamy
unjani
husband
usendana isithembu uhlulana ngovela ekhaya ngenkukhu Sena sesithi yona yekela akusikwa.
Okay makhala bomgobini. Mara basengacedi.
Basafuna akhiphe bobo.
Yeah, mara basengacedi.
Kate Matlala
15 years lo sammele.
Kate Matlala
was it 15 years.
They gave him 15 suspended 7 years.
Oh, at least
mara isamile phela.
So Kate Matlala flipped. Hell so sebenza state man.
Mara bekasola ngakwendi lokho kwasecaleni leni.
No, bangomsoli yathi ngicabanga ukuthi lapha Tombeka yabo mayibona yosini.
That's why I'm going.
Ngilele ngikhala ngamama wini ukuthi bamjikele befuna abe nayo ayikhuluma liqiniso. Siqhubeke.
Ngilabe sisengisha khona. What does that mean for the whole trial? For the whole charges? Chaza kuthini?
Banina Kate Matlala.
No. for the state, because khumbule ukuthi icala uvulwe state angisho. Sekuchaza kuthini? Bamfliphela ukuthi angisisho, I just want to know. Bamfliphela ukuthi kufuna aveted, because remember, Kate Matlala is private.
Yes.
He owns a private company.
Yes.
But kule saga le khona usebenzini lemali labasebenela
i-government.
So bamfliphela ukuthi bafuna ukuthi akhiphe labangani.
Obvious.
Ukuthi bakhiphe labangani.
Angeke ahlala ngabakhiphi. Bukela wena. Sazoshuba.
My brother.
Sazoshuba.
It's interesting.
That guy,
Very,
that
very.
guy, bekacabanga ukuthi batombheka.
Batomkhipha.
Because lento leyenile, you know ukuthi umthetho dlala ngayo. But nyalo umkhomende mama. And phela buka Kate Matlala lento lemngenisela lapha masengamgwebela ngayo.
Isengakhulunywa nokukhuluma. Mind you.
Ukhulunywa yabantu abantu bebamtrapile kahle. Bebangatrapanga yena.
Bebatrape laba abafunako.
Yabana ma Kate Matlala mina ngifisa ngathi ngikhuluma umuntu oyi-1 kucala before. That guy manje Mahumele. Phela Mahumele bangabamba bacedzile ngalento.
And exato
Bela bangabamba Mahumele my brother. Hayi.
Because
Ramaphosa is going down.
Nami ngimcabangela ukuthi
Ah,
nalo
it's going down. Maybe at times most. And yabona ukuthi South Africa kahle.
Mahumela ngile out libathi
Ile mana booking.
bawathathe bathi mshana wa Ramaphosa.
Yes.
Was he ever charged?
Akaze appear nakumadlanga.
Nakumadlanga.
Akaze e-court, akaze e-police station.
Okay, then how is Mahumela linked to Kate? Because right now, right now, bathi ilo kanjani icala Kate lebomsenthesela lona wanyalo for the 15 years. Lili
CPS.
Yes.
Yeah.
Asingly
The 200 and something million.
yes, akusiyo le
220 was it 220?
Yeah, 220.
you see akusiyo le
About
thembisa
220 lona sengekhaya.
Khaya, cabanga.
Mayisona. 220 strap.
Mara mina yathi okay man.
so I'm trying to find out what's okay because that's one charge.
Yes.
Okay, that's one charge with tiny bit of charges.
Yes.
Ne?
Yeah.
And then Kuba a little cool. Okay, so there's I remember ukuthi kuneqala attempted murder.
Yes.
Angisho
Basengakhulumanga.
abasemkhulumanga ngani.
Lethobejane.
Lethobejane. There's Lee Temba Hospital, the billions ones.
Mm.
I think kunywa kangaka. I think it's still under investigation. Hence why
Really
it's
faka
not
bona.
Exactly. If njengoba aguqukile ke bamnike the 15 years and 7 years suspended. And then mawaphaila if bamthola guilty nalala macala. Ubuke how many years lo muntu?
100 and something.
Because
in custody.
Akahlala relax.
Mara ngani is gonna be a state witness ne. Because abafuni yena. Bafunela labanye. Bafuna yonke.
Yena kahle bekayibhethi babhethe ngayo.
Yena inkinga yakhe etimbe yatshela ukuthi mafia for life yabo. Yabona it tells you in life there's no mafia for life. You understand? That guy is a multi-millionaire. Uhambisa nethi gwayigwaye intombatana ozoboshola yona. Afuna kubulala intombatana for lo
Allegedly. Yeah.
my brother
You see, pussy.
Endinemandla.
Man, overall
Inemandla. Ngathi sifike nayo mina ngikhuluma ngoba ngiyakhe phela ukuthi inemandla vele ingakwenzisa.
Esikhathini esiningi besiyenda ukuthi thina sende ama-flops esikhathini esiningi njengajubjub siyaya jubjub na. Is either ma-drugs kumbe tshwala kumbe yona nje le influence nyana because le enga yakhe ichamuka lapho kakhulu. Because mawusoba uyadikhuta nyana that's why bagweba usoba
Even as a police station awuvula
wena usoba kumbe
udzakiwe.
You understand? Asifani isigwebo sakho.
Yebo. Nasa police station nayo uvula icala ungachamuka udzakiwe
but
bakujikisa.
my brother even if because kunebantu labanganazi tshwala mara ba very violent.
That's the reason ukuthi bangigweba kakhulu dlula lelo dzakiwe.
I understand.
Maybe you were under
Yes, but that's why bakhe.
And if
uyingqondi lo yakafuneka
if yabuka most of papa labo labathanza abafana akabheke akanathi gijimisa ini skate
gijimisa mutsi
akadlali you understand and then bese sengathi ukuthi ngithi okay ngijida umshayeli kulo right sayibona licala uze wena njengemjida ufike lapho ufika kanjani because
ufike kunento
I'm not wena uke wangixoxela story sokuthi umuntu afostele ukuthi wena umshaye now uzipute ukuthi okay ufuna ngiyavuma siyala sacabana mara ufuna ukushayela ini
no labanye bajwayele nento abantu bosisters umshayi
kunale mentality yemantombazane le nami vele angiyithanzela ngathi umantombazane ayoyekela mase kusho bani ukuthi bayiyekele leyo ukuthi mfana ngaba ngakushaya akuthanzi angi-understand ukuthi
that's something that still exists namanje
yeah lo munye phela yabona uma kunema-arguments laba khona let's take mina nawe siya-arguisha wena relationship siya-arguisha lokunye uyakubona ukuthi phela lokho ahlathi ngiyasofuna ngimshaye noma ungabathi uyaxolisa uyathula awusaphenduli uyaqhubeka
ufana ne-rough sex nalo mention ukuthi ayithanzi le-romantic one
ufuna vele
le-rough back ukuthi
yabona lo bese sengiyabonga into that asibone pastor ukuthi kahle maybe you call it letendeka mana
that's the reason if you have a person ingabi ne-communication
yeah
but also you should remember ukuthi also mfethu my relationships are drainant
akuyekwe vele
listen singaba nale communication no mef siyaxoxa kahle na sisters but umuntu ohlala nenkinga ngibani sisters don't you think I get tired
of talking yebo
mina ngihlale ngikhansela wena
nalo ukuthi yena every time like le relationship yethu magnet ingcabano tiqhamuka ngawe wena ngibona hlanga nenkinga
wena umshayela kubona you understand it gets tired
mina ngi-understand into leyo ukuthi funa uqala understand wena kuqala before
exactly because no one understand when
very you love noma nani
you understand when my
uthi mara ngecase yaJubJub is it true or not true
hey
le rape
hey dog
awuni rape futhi
JubJub I thought you said bongo engqondweni nami I'm thinking about bongo
khoza yeah Navira or something
I don't know let's talk about the kuqala
so JubJub so there's something I know there's something I heard
yeah
siwa lesibhamu za JubJub asibhamu xoko
Kubeka my brother ngivinyana unyalo nento siyakhiwa phela my brother that's something else
it made me wena
ingqondo yakho uma uphile saka
okay toy
makhiphi toy wena
even nemademo sawagcina back then yakho nemademo bawadlisa njani njani
hold on
manje kuna something yabona ngabe president onke amaloya oba yi-state
angeke kube ne
ngiyabhekisela ukuthi le mina cause nonsense le bayikhuluma
ibhadi kuma president awini ngithe
befuna kube njalo uqinisile neyasekhona befuna kube njalo
if lo ilo lencakala okay ngiyanasele lo show nami ngibizwe with
akuzalwa ngayo bayitwista le
I understand but khuluma ngaJubJub is very prominent
amasudu amamnani
amasudu amaningi obafoli correction says you understand khuluma ngaJubJub he's known bekunema out afika lapho kuskima khuluma ta JubJub asemqhala JubJub eprison bekhala sakhe sicathulo you understand so don't you think this person has the power to change isinyaro liyendekile kwafika amaphoyisa ayiguqule naye
clean
okay yena baze bambophe kahle bambophele ini
because attempted I think it's attempted assault
why is never statement salo say
nami sinakwade
statement salo say ngifuna ubone content siyakhiwa
okay ngicela kubuda wena mawucanga singaphuma mawucanga ukuthi suicide nabanga statement
manje my brother
sifuna the original statement
but one day is going to be one day uyokhuluma njengaye lo ntombazane usuwakhuluma liqiniswa umrepile ngani uyasula umrape what you call under
to point
I mean I believe dog I believe Dr. JubJub ningakhuluma chief phela
I don't believe that
mara even nakheli khumalo once said umulimo if ungamnikelo la ifuna it becomes violent
yes violence I believe don't get me wrong because remember JubJub bamkhulise
rape violence
bamkhulise yabona
ne rape violence
I know JubJub bamkhulise ngetindlela leti yabona ukuthi into makayifuna funa ayithole you understand but if you look at some people's character then you're like
yabona sometimes ngilala lesinye isikhathi bathi umuntu ejele akakayanga ejele uva bamkhiphe ebusuku lo muntu angabi khona one of these people you can tell us no this thing akabuye ejele lo muntu yakho akabuyanga nje because this My brother, angeke uye ejele even if no mathi unemali enganani there are people
lengqondo mara lengqondo
kusinethu uvalelekile la ngesikhathi uphuma ngesikhathi sabo ungena ngesikhathi sabo noma ngabathi udla noma yini oyifunayo the fact awusonayo i-freedom iyakulimala
engqondweni futhi kakhulu
but that guy you can tell so
and labanye abantu into lebanga-understand
bengela ayemake podcast okhuluma sona bengeke mfethu ukhuluma mfethu ukhuluma nonsense my brother angeke ukhulumile so mfethu ubuya etshele cobo ngeke my
and nalenye into angeke phela labanye abantu abayithatha serious lento ukuthi we can be in a relationship ucethe ungirape.
That's a real thing though.
Labantu labangavisa ukuthi uya umrape njani ngoba umuntu wakhe. The fact ukuthi bengingafuni umrape.
Yeah, that's a real thing.
Isuka lapho phela lento.
And my brother, yabona that's why ngithi sometimes when I get under influence of something, you're not normal.
You're not yourself.
Ubhema drugs or ubhemiswana nanani, understand? Umune anger yakho original. Uthi ukhulena from ekhaya. Yeah, lento idimola. But natural uyabuya ama-senses akho the outing
unembeza
wena malini out there.
I think he's been under influence a lot of times.
Akazi mthamba yekela ngesana.
Yeah. I don't think
because if you have money my brother kunebantu abathengisa insango ngile ngayiboshwa kunebantu abathengisa insango phakathi ejele.
Konke khona.
Kodwa ngeke ejele.
Konke khona.
Kusi bakulethela intombi yakho ifuna kuyishaya ujiki. Ngani ngithi ngile maphoyisa phakathi ejele. Bakhipha lapha ukufa ingile maphoyisa ushaye ubuye lelo.
How does it feel? For what? For what?
Obvious.
Serious, but don't blame me. But imali makes me ngilendo ngisibo allegedly buket matala beyithola imali tobendela yimi. Kanti yabathi.
Yeah, I think buket matala ishintshe mabamisa lebhongweni.
Yeah. Asengikhulumela ukuthi
no visitors.
No, nothing.
Oh, apparently you can't even. Oh, bathi uba an hour in 24 hours you have an hour. Uyophuma ngaphandle uyodla.
No, but remember in prison isikhathi sakhona is shaped differently than the real time. So bangathi wena una 7 years ufuna spend in prison.
But like 2 times.
I think 7 years ukuthi ilanga lina 24 hours, live 24 hours na.
Ibala ilanga leli 1 bala kayi2.
Bala kayi2.
Stop.
Yeah, so 24 hours wakho is 12 hours. 12 hours in 2 days. You understand? So I wanted the system would fucked up from there. 2 days ilanga leli 1. So if back expected
no sorry kubamba they know ukuthi ngale akusemnanzi. So mama saba buyejela abakabuya ngijele cobo. They know ukuthi ngale akusemnanzi. But that's what is the correctional service. Akacorrectekanga lo muntu.
It's a rehabilitation. Vele labanye abantu
lona akacorrectekanga.
Nomunye instead ubuya west ngicabanga ukuthi lo muntu uhambe ngalendo le mara ubuya uwest.
Khona nomunye akhuluma ukuthi bayirana basibamsaba ingonjele yayo network yakhe idlala kuphi Mzansi Menjini. Bathi you can't tell him lapho Mzansi Menjini bamsaba. Yena juju. Awubona
Moja Love.
Yeah, ngidlala ku Mzansi Menjini kan.
No, idlala ku Moja Love. Moja Love is
show.
Channel on its own.
Bathi akucocina la. But that's why bathi show yakhe sola iphuma. Awumashola manje aphumile manje.
Naba nabaxolani babakhipha babuya.
But that guy that ngani
Show to Sabonglo. Who's that guy?
Hello.
The founder who's that? It's
Moja Love. Yeah, Aubrey.
Show to Sabonglo.
Wakhuluma alleged lo Amanda ukuthi makwa YouTube nabo Oprah. They are together of lesinye isikhathi noku kidnap abantwana and everything.
Yeah,
But azange babenze
but remember
mara it was umakhumbula kahle angadume beniyibukelela Faith Kelly.
Yeah.
Wake wakumention ukuthi the reason why angafuni ukuthi athathe umntwana it's because of background yakhe
they come from those the era imama fela serious. Remember the era ukuthi bantu baphume kumkhonto yesizwe bathole sekune freedom and then babavalele ngaphandle and then like all right now yonke equipment yokushadilwa to shadilwa
and abasaka control kuphela. I don't guys nabamsazi bamisa uhlala state my brother. I'm telling you like mhlawumbe ngcono fast. I'm telling you my brother this guy akadeserve kala South Africa no too much. That guy.
And then umbona nangokukhuluma ukuthi
that guy boss.
Uyagiva
That guy is boss my brother. He's boss for no reason sometimes. Uteki him on a story, you take him to boss towards me.
Hayi life to humble.
Mara yami nale channel futhi.
Come on, brother. No.
Life I trust.
Mara yona live
Life I trust.
Abantu abaningi lebehlile empilweni nabo bangathembi ukuthi
Bebangathembi ukuthi batowena.
balaba khona khona.
Bekuna Scotland kulo asikulo ngibathengisa sikhuluma.
Asikhulume
Kumekthi akhuluma ukuthi yena uphumile eminyakeni.
Oh eminyakeni.
Yeah, uphumile eminyakeni.
Can you decide? Naso kunaphuma kusho nawe.
You know what? Ushido Joe.
Yeah, ukhuluma yabona yakhuluma
But yabona the way she made things, the way explaining ngakhona Joe.
Yeah, understand.
Understand you. Because then ukhuluma qiniso.
Yeah.
Wathi une colleague. Yeah, understand? Une colleague. Une bungoma, une colleague.
Yeah.
Two different things. You understand?
Of which one by confuse the two.
Exactly. Umuntu angeva bathi because you can have a calling. Ungathwala. But still uyakhona kuthi abantu.
Yes.
Uyabona? Ungaba ne calling, umuntu uvela umbono lona ntoneka so umchazele. Akathwala. Uyakhona ke labo ukuthi ushaya amathambo bavetela labathanda. You understand? So umchazele kahle my brother makathi she has a calling. Calling yakhe yamtshela ukuthi or whatever kwamtshela ukuthi hamba uthwasa lapha wafika wathwasa, right? But yena nyalo uthini akasakholeli tiwani umadoti and she
not anymore. By the time agwenda bekakholelwa kuwo. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Yeah, okay.
Not anymore. Nyalo, she's a woman of God. She's not a Christian.
She's a woman of God.
She's a woman of God. She's not Christian.
Who's the baby did?
Hayi umfihlile singafuna kumkhulu.
Bebathi PC lapha what is claim what
But I don't think Mekhi angakhuluma uyamadi
Mekthina inedlela takhe, Mekthina.
I think yena uvetele kancane bekudai la. But brother wena njengemuntu lo uyithatha njani le?
Which one? No, angeke ngidefend ngoba ngina ngeke ngithi uyabheza, understand? Yeah, ngilona ya.
Ngolo ya.
Mara into langibhore ngayo.
Angimchaza wathi sorry, wathena ngeke namase ngibuyelile futhi.
Uyakubona ukuthi kahle yena naye.
Hayi bese ngiconfuse khona idasho dawutata.
Akathatha ukuthi uthini kumbe akathatha ukuthi ufuna. Khona la beka. It's money making.
Because she did say it's a medley.
Khona la I don't know kumbe ukuthi podcast or they were just doing a video but ngicocela there was Happy Simelane but Happy Simelane.
No, I don't know.
She's dominant with the Mommy Club.
Okay.
This other show was in the Mommy Club. Yeah. Laphana so ukhuluma kabi ngamonde.
Yena.
A lot of women does that and I mean ngiyangibona lento leyo. Nami ngiyangibona. Ngiyangosana mubi, ngiyangosana kana mali lekhana ushade nayo kana nayo konke lokho bongakubona. So ubona nyalo ngoba sekuhlukene.
Yekhumbulele umuntu wakhe lo ya.
And akaphindiseni.
Yambona usinalapha lelona show yakhe kasayiran. Seyirana ngisafitha someone else. Ngisho yakakho nobile yakhe nomfana.
Ona baqala yakhe.
Wanginvite amsene even nayo usikothe.
Bakhuluma.
So ngibona ngobanyalo so ngikhuluma kabi kusokhuluma ukuthi nalekhane ayothola boyo guy was never around bekasema clubbing ukuphuka.
Yeah, but they talk about it on the show.
Okay. Here's my check on that. I don't think women understand and we don't understand.
Yeah.
Yes. But I don't think women understand how painful it is for a guy to be faced with a situation with your woman and you can't do nothing about it. You understand? Those who tell you the situation, I want to tell them how to
Yeah.
I want to tell them how to okay, ngiyabona usefihlungwini. Ngiyendeni angathi nokuthi awana ukuthi kufuna ngindini.
Yena bekafuna ukuthi abe khona.
Yeah.
But he's breaking as well.
No, they want to talk about
yena uthi ucansula ukuthi the time she was okay uthi waqalwa ama-pain ne.
Yeah.
Wamfonela. You understand?
That time
ngiyendela nyalo ngimfonela nyalo lo muntu ngiyamuva ukuthi usephathini bokubuka akazange afike. Even nalekhana sendleleni
uwilo wambika into show yakhe wayivuma
lento lengisho ngithi mina
bengigowisha and nami bengingathi singendeni like financially I'm broke.
Yeah.
Mara usechaphini.
People they can take you out.
I know because people can take you out but
it's one of the things that
angekuzukhona ekhaba
because
how long has it been now? How long has it been now?
I don't even know. But it's one of the things. No, I don't know. But it's one of the things. Nothing a celebrator. Because you know if not at all to shoot, you understand? But
Yeah.
some makumntana ukutshela ukucela something.
Yeah.
And you can't tell us, you can't buy lapha ukuthi they bought for me.
They bought for you but you there. Yena akafundele bakuthengele
Yeah, you
ufuna wena
understand?
sipho
Yeah,
sakho.
ngiyabekisa nje, you understand? It's one of the things ukuthi nayo out yayivuma lelo ukuthi yending flop.
Yeah.
And lo chair uyakuba nomthanda. You understand?
Mara nasekathi ngabe kampatalela irent.
Ngibonekani?
Ngithengele nemoto.
Pero you know if
Kurong ngoba lokho
Why,
kukwende
man?
ungakatsheli muntu why so usitshela
and
nyana.
lento le ngifuna ukuyikhuluma, there's a clip le circulator la likazi yalibuda ngibonile ukuthi sibusisi.
Le
Bamshaya
Eh, bayi-two.
Oh, Spura,
The
yeah.
person when it's down, my brother, no mnyanya ngakanani. Don't show, my brother. I'm telling you. Because when sengifunze into ethi ndo emangihlele ekhaya ngiyi-1 nani, understand? Nami benginayo le anger leyo sometimes ngimnyanya lo cherry lo ngimnyanya umjida lo, understand into leyo. No matter what, my brother, ne? Yabona umuntu makaphasi, ngamshaya, ngamkhipha phasi makaphasi. Miyekele mfethu athi. There are so many people that are like posting
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why.
i-problem yini
Yeah.
noma ngabe ungisiti yabhiya vele batoyi-post
And this thing has
nothing
I'll tell you
special
why.
ngokuthi
Yeah,
sina vele
yeah.
siyathanda into etibhetsayo.
I'll tell you why
Oh.
bantu bashaya umuntu aphansi
Mm.
or bakhulume nomuntu aphansi.
Yeah.
I'll tell you why.
Right.
Umuntu makasethi ubhuda akakulaleli.
And angomtshele futhi.
Angeke umtshele fokotsha ya.
Awumtshele.
Yeah, but ungamkhumbuze etinye tetinto.
Angeke umtshele
breaker
fokotsha.
lokugcina lo muntu lo. Phela omunye umuntu ukhathi kuna pick up wena umkhumbuza izinto like la mhlamba limela kokugcina. So
Enyoni.
mina correct.
Ifana lento yokuthi unyoni unemali. Sihleli nalindo nyana. Nithi mina kuwe last week maybe ngicela imali ye-Braai Pack kumbe imali yempuphu. Sewena ngoba sesihleli nalindo so ufuna labanye babayendela lokho. Kuthi ngoba sesihleli nalindo net mina limile ukuthi ish ngosana nginike 10 phela bawunight. Wena vele uyahlupha na last week bocela imali 30 impuphu nana why ngasikhulume soyithu. Why wena so involved the third person? Labanye babendela lokho that's why bababhesha even when they are down. Abasabaveli kuhlungu because nawo zange ungivele.
Abuna ke umtshele nje uma setulu. Umtshele fokotsha.
Fana nemuntu lothola itimali temafa.
We have akeva next.
But good isikolo sokufunza imali phela ukukhumbula kahle.
Yebo mara phela kuye ebantwini. Asisho ukuthi even nami maybe nami mangayithola le mali.
Carry money marathon. Did you ever carry money?
Carry man like imali.
Carry with the mali, yeah.
Mina hence I was going there. Kule nto ngisho ngithi angithathi nami ukuthi uma ngabamba
Thank you.
500,000 ngabanjani.
Well,
You
okay,
don't know.
let's make
Ngangahlali. Ngathi
how much was it?
ngathi lena i-once off.
How much was it, my G?
How much
It
was
a
it?
lot, dog.
How much was it? When was
100 and
it?
something.
More than 100 and something.
When was it?
A few years back, not so long ago.
Mara ufuna ngitshela wena ungabamba
Bone
10 million.
direction and
Yebo,
the
hlanje.
mama, boy with the mali tota.
Yes, I knew
Why
we told
planela?
Asivale guys.
Asivale.
Asivale, se play princess yasha.
Yeah.